How to create 3D text effects in PixelLab. Want your text to pop out with 3D look in PixelLab? I will show you step by step how to create amazing 3D text effects. Let's get started. First things first, launch PixelLab and start a new project or open an existing one. Tap the plus icon at the top left corner, then select text and type your text. Tap on the text box to edit it. The text menu will appear at the bottom. Scroll and tap 3D text. Adjust depth or extrusion to make the text thicker. Use rotation or angle to change the perspective of the 3D effect. Experiment with lighting or shadow to make it look realistic. Optional tips: add color or gradient to your text. Apply stroke or shadow to enhance 3D look. Position and resize your text as needed. And that's it. You have created eye-catching 3D text in PixelLab, perfect for thumbnails, banners, and social media graphics. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.